back to another video, folks. It's LTL Outdoors. As you guys can see, you maybe have noticed something new about me. Get that chatterbait out of here, buddy. Today we're fishing with a kid named Drake. He sort of knows what he's doing, but we're gonna try some. I'm gonna try some frogs today. He's throwing a good old chartreuse chatterbait with the good old trailer. So let's see if we can catch some fish today. And we're gonna start this video right now. Yeah. Camera died. Got her on the frog. She's not bad. There we go. Nice, probably about 2 pounder, you say? Right on 2. Nice belly on her. Send her back. She's way down there in the weeds. Get her up here. Get this beastie up here. Dude, you're making it into a video for me. Holy cow, that thing's nice. That's a 3. Tip. Send her back. Stick a net in there or something? It's right there, you see it? Yeah. Ain't no way. Oh, shoot. Ain't no way.
Well, you guys deserve it. You guys fixed it up.
Yeah. I didn't fix it, but yeah.
We've caught quite a few today.
Oh, there you go, buddy. You almost had him.
That guy just smoked it.
Out of pocket.
No. Oh shoot. Still have him.
Net?
No. Maybe we just do this on next time, Drake. We just go along the shoreline and get it amongst these trees.
That looks decent.
She's not big, but not small.
That is not small, bro. That's like a pound, isn't it?
Yeah.
Want to weigh it?
Probably a pound, not a pound and a half.
Can you help land us?
Yeah. You got it. I'm gonna go back in that bay again.
Huh?
Oh shoot.
When you going back? Bro, how?
Holy cow, that thing choked
Is that
it.
still fun?
What?
Is that still fun to catch?
Yeah. Any frogfish is fun to catch, dude. The only thing I don't like is how all my fish have been like 2 times smaller than yours. Dude, she choked that little guy. Got it. That's her. Sight fished her before, but I didn't know where she went. Got her to hit it though. It's good. Oh, a giant one's following her. Oh my gosh. It's a big one following her. It looks deep here, actually.
Chatterbaits are actually one of those versatile baits.
I would beg to differ.
What would you differ?
Soft plastics are.
Tattletale swim bait. Is
Soft
the most
plastics.
versatile.
Got one, folks. Keep her low. Good old frog. Nice one on the black and blue again. Yeah, there we go, folks. We'll send her back. There she goes. Pull it with your fingers and see if it's tight.
Oh, I pulled this one and it just went back to the bottom.
Exactly where I want to go. If I can skip it. Oh, like that.
Why'd you take me out this spot? You said you were getting air. That just doesn't make sense.
Huh? Oh, I just got hit.
Got bit. No way.
He's tiny.
That is a tank.
It's not big.
He's fighting like a biggin. Why is he built so weird?
Huh?
He's got a weird build.
Why is her mouth? Oh, dude, I clamped her. I got hooks on the top of her mouth and the bottom. That's so weird.
How?
Look. Got a hook on the bottom of her face and one hook in the face. You really get smoked right there. There you go, folks. Little bass.
I like catching this far out.
Sometimes. Don't know exactly.
Should I work it or should I just reel it in?
I really don't want to get semi-far out. They're gonna hit right at the shore. Thank you guys for watching another video of LTL Outdoors. Like always, please like and subscribe and share this video with some of your friends. And I would like to inform you guys that soon enough, I'm going to be making a series on this channel. So you guys better stay tuned because we're going to be catching 20 fish species in Minnesota before the summer ends. So that's the goal for this year. We're going to start this challenge soon enough, and it's going to be like episode 1, episode 2, and I hope you guys are going to like this series. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Should gain a lot of subs from it, and I think it's going to get a lot of attention. So we'll see how that goes. See you guys. Thanks.